Hello, welcome to my TrazeAll review. TrazeAll is a cloud-based software which is released by Mosh, Bari and Fulton. TrazeAll is going live on Warrior Plus platform on 6th January 2020 at 9 AM EST. In this review, I will explain what TrazeAll is and how it can benefit you in your online business. I will also explain all the pros and the cons of TrazeAll software, and I will also reveal my exclusive bonuses worth $750 which you can get completely free of cost if you purchase TrazeAll using my affiliate link. In a nutshell, TrazeAll is a SaaS platform for creating giveaways, contests, and referral traffic. The key purpose of TrazeAll is to help you drive traffic to your offers using viral giveaways, contests, and referral. It generates embeddable HTML code which you can integrate on your own website to host these contests, giveaways, and referral-based competitions. There are other softwares like King Sumo in the market which also helps you to do the same, but unlike them, TrazeAll comes with a low on-time price during this launch offer. If you are interested, check out this demo.
Alright, so let me show you how fast and easy it is to create a traffic campaign on TrazeAll. According to Wishpond, this simple campaign was highly successful, and the numbers were like these merchants' coupon had 740 views and a conversion rate of 39.46%, giving them the email addresses of 292 prospective clients, alongside the extra sales brought in by the discounts. So what we have done is we built a simple page like this using Elementor. It's a free plugin, drag and drop, anyone can build, but you can use any other plugin or any other text website editor to build this kind of page. And then we added a section to paste the HTML code that will be generated by the TrazeAll software. So let's add a new campaign, and we'll name it, it's a contest, and it will be Coupon 50 King Kong, just giving it a funny name. And let's end this campaign in 2 days. The site name would be King Kong Coupon. All right. And the site URL, I will copy the site URL from the address bar and paste it here. And then continue. The price would be 50% off coupon. And the coupon code will be, we'll give away coupon code as price, will be 50 off King Kong. And then hit continue. So we'll do based on points. We can go randomly or we'll go based on points. So every sign up should bring more points. That should be like 20. View can bring 5 points. Social can be 10 points. Referral can be 15 points. These make sense. So let's continue. And these are all fine. We don't want to change anything. Hit continue. And here we can change the look of the form. Okay, so I personally like name, email and name. The only thing is the headline, that use the form below to enter the contest. Win 50% off coupon code. And then you can go for a widget. Check those widgets. These are the colors. It's awesome, right? Super awesome. So the referral link will look like this. Okay, let's use this widget and hit continue. Please select autoresponder. We don't want email confirmation. We want welcome email, and that's fine. Autoresponder is my Aweber. And let's select this one and then hit continue. And then the platforms for sharing, we would like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, Pinterest, LinkedIn, add all, finish. And this is the code. We're going to copy the script. Script is copied, and we will go to this HTML section of the page that we have built and on the left hand side, HTML code section, paste it, and then update. Once we update, we preview. So that's how it looks like. It's pretty awesome, isn't it? Super awesome. So that's it. That's how easy and fast it is to create traffic campaigns using TrazeAll.
Once you get TrazeAll, you will be presented with 5 one-time offers which are all optional. You will be provided with downsale offer for all these optional upgrades which will help you to save money worth $300 across the funnel. The first auto will cost you $97 and it will gives you unlimited version with additional features and functionality. First auto downsells to $67. The second auto will cost you $77. This TrazeAll 100x conversion booster will provide you with countdown timers, Facebook pixel, and social proof, exit pop-ups. This auto will downsell to $57. The third auto will cost you $297. This will give you TrazeAll DFY money machines. This upgrade will allow you to get 30 done-for-you campaigns set up by the product vendor. The fourth auto will cost you $67. This is TrazeAll Deadliest Secret Trigger. This upgrade will provide you access to step-by-step training on how to build your email list fast to profit in no time. This upgrade has a downsell option to $47. The fifth auto will cost you $197 and will give you 100% TrazeAll license rights. This upgrade also downsell to $97. Hello, everybody, Brian here. I just hope you like this amazing demo of TrazeAll. So, if you like this cloud-based software for creating viral contests, giveaways and referral competition for generating leads and sales, then let me spoil you rotten by announcing my astounding bonuses worth $750. You will get all these bonuses completely free of cost if you purchase TrazeAll using my link. These bonuses alone will more than justify your small one-time investment for TrazeAll. These bonuses will include exclusive access to 3 cloud-based video maker software, access to Astra Pro WordPress theme and Elementor Pro Page Builder plugin. Check out the link provided in the description of this video to find out the details of these bonuses. If you like my TrazeAll review, please share this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we upload regular videos on useful software reviews, digital marketing techniques, and different ways of making money online.